Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have an Ikea brand washing machine and you're getting an error E20. So what is it and how to get rid of it? So the E20 is a drain error, and you might even notice when you get this error, you also see there's water left in the drum. Simply the machine, when it's time to drain, it starts the drain cycle and it gives itself a certain amount of time. And after that time is up, if it hasn't drained, it will throw up this E20 error. So the number one reason that you're getting this E20 error and it's unable to drain, we're going to go through some of the main causes. One of the main causes is something to do with your drain hose in the back. So this could be there could be a kink or a bend in that hose, especially like if usually obviously your machine's up against the wall. If you push it too hard up against the wall, you can kink or smush or bend that hose that will not let the water flow out. Secondly, the water gets pumped up and out. So the water needs to pump up, but your hose doesn't want to be too high in the air, and you don't want to have too long of a run. You shouldn't use any extensions or anything on your drain hose. Also, where your drain hose goes into the drain, there needs to be air that can get through, so it shouldn't be taped off or anything like that. So that is checking the back, the drain hose, and all that kind of stuff is the first thing I would check. The second thing is all washing machines at the bottom, they're going to have they're going to have a pump, and the pump, there could be something that went in with the water, like a button came off a piece of clothing or something like that, and that is preventing the drain pump from turning. So you should be able to open this down here and then check and make sure that there's nothing in the drain pump that is blocking it from turning. So if it's neither of those things, you also want to listen and say, do you hear when it goes into a drain cycle, can you hear the pump turning? Because if not, you could have a burnt out pump, but you would probably be getting other errors in that case anyways. One of those things should get rid of this error. If it doesn't, you're probably going to need to call for service, but hopefully one of those will take care of it. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.